This is some 1095 steel. If that doesn't mean anything to you, it's knife making steel. So we'll just start without a plan, see what happens. This is a rough idea. Getting the angle grinder out, cutting this, or using hacks, either one's gonna take a long time. Might as well just use my strength. That'll work. Nothing special here. I'm just going to pick probably this spot right here to be my plunge line. Grind this bevel, grind that bevel, flatten the edge, then figure out what I'm going to do with the handle. I'm going to, whatever this is called, center punch. I'm just going to drill a bunch of them. I'll use probably 2 for pins. The rest will just be extra surface area for the epoxy or glue to hold on to. Next, we're going to worry about the handle. This is some walnut. Cut this strip out. Now I have a pocket that our knife can sit in. Everything's flush. Gonna go with this hole and this hole for pins. So I'm gonna go ahead and drill those out now. Next we're gonna glue up the handle. Pretty simple, just slap this guy right on here. It doesn't have to be too terribly perfect or anything. Next I'm going to bevel all the corners, and I'm going to try to make it beveled at like a straight angle rather than a like rounded corner. I think it'll give it like a Japanese kind of look to it. Something kind of like that. Now we're going to heat treat this, heat it up until it turns red hot, quench it in the oil. That's going to harden the steel, and we'll temper it after that. Alright, we got the handle sanded up to 220 grit, taped everything off, that way epoxy won't get in the wood. I have the blade, which has also been tempered. I just put it in an oven at 450 for 2 hours. Cleaned it with brake parts cleaner. I also have my pin, which I'll be cutting. That's also cleaned in brake parts cleaner. That way there's no oil or like grease from my hands on here that would like make the epoxy less effective. We're just using some JB Weld, nothing special here.